Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix GCash app authentication failed. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so if you cannot log in into your GCash application, remember, do not install and install your app. This may cause further problems. So tap on the error message you are getting like this, for example, and tap on the error message that's closer to like the one you are seeing. So just go to this link and you can tap on it and they'll give you instructions. Okay, for general troubleshooting, you can try switching your number. You can do that. Here are the steps. So you just have to open the GCash app and tap a button and proceed to switch accounts, or you can change your network connection. So first close the app in your list of open apps, switch on airplane mode for 30 seconds, then turn it off and connect to a different network or switch your network connection and try reopening the GCash app. So this is for Android. For iPhone, to force and restart the GCash app, you just have to double press the home button or swipe up on your home screen. Look for GCash screen and swipe up until it disappears to close the app. On Android, just tap the recent apps button, look for GCash and swipe it to the left side until it disappears to close the app. You can also clear app cache on Android. So launch settings and then go to your app manager, tap GCash internal storage and then just clear cache. If all of this doesn't work, make sure your GCash app is updated to the latest version. So yeah guys, this is how you fix your problem. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.